So hey full stackers, so finally Java 17 has been released last night. I've been going over their event and it was interesting to watch. I've just consolidated, I've taken notes on the list of items that has been updated or released, and I will just show up what all I have noted. So you can add on if something is missing or something is has to be added. So let me share my screen. So the first thing is the logo has been updated. We have been given a new logo. 1 minute, let me just bring, yeah. So the new logo is given, the new theme. If you remember the old Angular JS way of logo, right, with the A embedded on it, engraved, that has been brought, and the website has been updated. It is angular.dev. Previously it was angular.io, and that has been renamed to angular.dev. So the website looks cool. I scroll down and just they have used CSS and some animations, cool animations. And if we go through the websites, we have the beta docs. So learn Angular. They have given like in the browser learning methodology. So same like Stack Blitz. So you can just update it here and see. But currently it is telling unsupported. I have opened in Chrome as well. Firefox, they have said that it is not supported still. They are working on it. And this is the search. So searching the document. Oh, I see. It is Algolia. Search by Algolia. Okay. And we have the doc section. So doc has been slightly given a new look and feel. So Angular Fire, Google Map. Okay, extended ecosystem. Angular Play, YouTube Player, CDK Material. So Angular Material 16. Okay, so what is the next version? 17 is yet to release. So Angular Material is yet to be released. It is still in the version 16. All right, coming back to the tutorial section, they have given like learn Angular in your browser's playground. The playground, which is familiar in various other technology, right? Particularly, I have used a native script. So build your first Angular locally. So just, and they have integrated playground here as well. So cool thing. You can try it out. And then a reference. So what is in the reference? Okay, API. So they have moved that the API reference. So if you see if you go over the existing, okay, we had the reference and yes, so just couple of modifications to the existing. Okay, so this is with respect to the website and the logo, and what else has been done. So what I have noted from the session is, so production ready features are hydration is available, and SSR, the server side rendering, which was in developer preview, it is also available now. So there is a ESM support for server bundles to increase the speed, and now standalone is the default. So if you had used Angular 16, standalone is we can use component to load the Angular application. Angular modules have been removed. Now standalone has become the default in Angular 17. So if you give ng new, going forward standalone will be the default and you need not use modules. That was really a nice feature which I used in the previous version of Angular 16. Next, one important thing which they spoke in the event was CLI, where the Webpack has been given ES build. So the Webpack has been moved. The Webpack way of building, instead of that, they are recommending to use ES build. So ES build and white, so which will make the bundle smaller and faster build process. And they are recommending ES build. And they have there has been some update on the custom the at input. earlier we used to give a square bracket. Instead of that, we can just pass the value regularly. And signals have become the production ready feature. We can start using the signals. And they also spoke about observable and signals. So observable is something when we use for streaming, and signal is for maintaining the state of the component. And what are the features which are in developer preview? So the new control flow, which you might have seen already at ngif, at ng4, ng switch, and there is something cool which is defer component. So let's say we have three components inside one outer file, like in a div tag we have three components. We can defer the component. We know already lazy loading, where we defer the loading of the bundle based on the URL, the route. But here within the component, if you have multiple component, you can defer the component by loading it lately, so that you'll save some time. That was a nice feature, and it is in developer preview. And the defer component has some default trigger they provided, and we can also create some custom trigger on when that component has to be loaded. And there is a prefetch, and we can also give a placeholder until the component is loaded. We can show a loading panel. So those kind of stuff are there. So some couple of things which they discussed to be done in future are HTTP streaming and non-native environment support in for clouds as well. And Angular Universal has been removed, and it is merged with the Angular package. The Angular repository has now the Angular Universal. Yeah, those were the items that was discussed in the event. It was nice, even though it did not have a lot, but this is good enough for Angular 17. So I can see that some good improvements. Yeah, that was good though. So try it out and let me know if how you feel about this version, and if you have any questions on this. Okay then, take care. Bye bye.